In this video, I'll show you how to create a focus mode zone to mute a selection of groups and apps. For example, you may want to mute chat apps when you're focused on a task. Let's get started. Click on the bell icon to bring up the focus mode panel. Next, click on the current selected zone, which is applied to all apps and tabs. Then click on Create in the bottom right corner. Next, give your new zone a name. Check the groups you want to include and click Done. Now choose what you want to mute. Notifications, badges, main window audio. You may also want to sleep the groups to save memory and show a focus icon on the apps that are sleeping. Finally, choose a time period and click Enter Focus Mode. Now you'll see that the selected groups are grayed out, which shows they are sleeping. The unread badges are also hidden, and you'll see a snooze icon on the apps. To cancel focus mode, click on the bell and select Leave Focus Mode. In an instant, your unread badges reappear, and you can wake the apps up again as soon as you need them. You can create as many zones as you need in this way, for muting emails, chats, all your home apps, or apps from another business. Thanks for watching.